Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9 gaming laptop that's been making waves in the budget gaming community. Before you make a choice on your next gaming machine, you need to watch this comprehensive review where I've done all the research for you, and don't forget to check the description for the best price available right now. Today we're covering everything about this laptop, including its impressive specs, gaming performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. We'll look at price, performance benchmarks, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. So let's dive right in and get started. The standout feature of the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9 is its exceptional value proposition at just $694, delivering gaming performance that typically costs hundreds more. This laptop packs an Intel Core i5-12450HX processor with 8 cores that boost up to 4.4 GHz, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 graphics card. The combination creates a gaming powerhouse that handles modern titles at 1080p with impressive frame rates. Additionally, the 16 GB of lightning-fast 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking between gaming sessions, streaming, and productivity tasks. The display technology is where this laptop truly shines for gamers and content creators alike. The 15.6-inch FHD IPS panel delivers 1920x1080 resolution with 100% sRGB color accuracy, making it remarkable for both gaming and creative work. Moreover, the inclusion of NVIDIA G-Sync technology eliminates screen tearing during intense gaming sessions, while the 300 nit brightness and anti-glare coating ensure comfortable viewing even in bright environments. The thin bezels create an immersive experience that rivals laptops costing significantly more. Storage and memory specifications are outstanding for this price point. The 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD provides blazing fast load times for games and applications, while the DDR5 memory technology future-proofs your investment. Furthermore, Ivy Bridge includes a complimentary 32 GB USB 3.0 flash drive, adding extra value to an already impressive package. The combination of high-speed storage and cutting-edge memory ensures your system remains responsive even under heavy workloads. Connectivity options exceed expectations in this category. The laptop features the latest Intel Wi-Fi 6AX203 with Bluetooth 5.2 for exceptional wireless performance. The port selection is comprehensive with one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C supporting power delivery and display port, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 for 4K external displays, and a dedicated RJ45 Ethernet port. This extensive connectivity makes it perfect for gamers who need multiple peripherals, external monitors, and stable internet connections. The build quality and design elements demonstrate Lenovo's attention to detail. Weighing 5.25 pounds with dimensions of 14.17 inches x 10.19 inches x 0.94. It strikes an ideal balance between portability and performance. The Luna Gray finish looks professional and sleek, while the backlit keyboard with numpad enhances productivity in low light conditions. The 720p HD camera with eShutter provides decent video quality for online meetings or streaming. However, one notable downside is the battery life, which maxes out at 6 hours under light usage. Gaming sessions will drain the 60W battery much faster, meaning you'll need to stay near the included 135W AC adapter for extended gaming. Some users may find this limiting for a laptop marketed towards students and young professionals who need all-day battery life. Target audiences for this laptop include budget-conscious gamers, college students needing a versatile machine, and professionals who occasionally game. The RTX 2050 handles popular esports titles like Valorant, CS:GO, and Fortnite at high settings while managing AAA games at medium settings with respectable frame rates. You got it. So that's it for the best budget gaming laptop on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews.